put on this damn thing. And well, yeah, I've got to put headphones in because, well, no one's got earplugs here. And because the switch is broken, I've got to literally turn it on like this. And you're just going to wonder why I have headphones I'm going to get to it and I'll show you the process once I've planed it down to the thickness that I'd like and whatnot, and yeah, go from there. think I moved my phone. Can't go wrong with that. Got some scrap 2x4s here. Gonna cut it the same size as this. Put it through the bench saw, put it on an angle so it matches that profile. Well, I've got my angle set and I'm ready to cut. Oh, well, when you're not using it, straighten it back up and put it away. Who knows, this thing might turn on while your hand's on it, and there goes your hand. Got my little jig set up, it's holding it. It's not wobbling, but if I were to put this here, it don't like it, so I move it across, she don't wobble. All we got to do now is attach it to the other parts, or drill it down, screw it, nail it, glue it, stuff gluing, it takes too damn long. And then once I've done that, start putting it through the thickness. Oh, I'm gonna screw it down to it. So I've got my AEG set here. Alright, a good set. I've got to give it that, especially for its price. Comes with a drill, an impact wrench, which I'm pretty sure I might be saying it wrong. Either way, that's from another kit, but either way, good batteries. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger. That I bought separately. And it comes with these. A little extended Phillips head bit and flathead bit. Right. For what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to use this one instead of this one, because for some reason, you got this. Alright? It just dies. Alright? See the light? It just dies. Doesn't work. You're meant to have that on the clutch, or whatever the hell this thing is, whatever it's meant to do. And it does that. Get about here, doesn't do it. It's meant to just keep going. Go to 14. Oh, yeah, 14. Oops. Still don't do it. Go to 13. What do you know? It works on 13, but not 14, 15, or 16, or 17, or just your standard go. So, AEG, fix it. If you want to get a hold of me, inbox me. But yeah, let's get on to doing this now. Well, I've got the other side to do now. First, I've got to find out where it sits. And the last 2 screws. Alright. Solid, sturdy little piece. Didn't there? No wobble. So that way now. Move it up a little bit. There we go. No wobble. Now let's put it in the thickness. We look at that, she fits. Isn't that good? At least now I can start thinning it down so it will fit for this disc brake to go on. And we'll be right, don't I?